Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make egg fried rice easily. First, ensure you have about 3 cups of day-old, cold rice. This is crucial for a non-sticky result. Next, prepare all your ingredients, like chopping 1/2 cup of carrots and 1/2 cup of peas, before you even turn on the stove. This method makes the cooking process much smoother and faster, ensuring a delicious meal in under 15 minutes. Now, let's get those eggs ready. Whisk 2 to 3 large eggs with a small pinch of salt and pepper until just combined. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in your wok or large pan over medium-high heat. Pour in the egg mixture and scramble quickly, breaking them into small pieces. Cook for about 30 seconds until they are just set, then immediately remove them from the pan and set aside. Next, add another tablespoon of oil to the hot pan. Stir-fry your finely chopped vegetables, like carrots and peas, for about 2 minutes until they are tender crisp. Then, add your 3 cups of cold rice, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Pour in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, tossing everything together to coat the rice evenly. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Return the cooked, scrambled eggs to the pan with the rice and vegetables. Toss everything vigorously for about 1 minute, ensuring it is all well combined and heated through. Taste and adjust seasonings if needed. Garnish with 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped green onions for a burst of freshness. Serve your delicious, easy egg fried rice immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.